Namaskar, welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. I will go on the headlines. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant intensifies efforts to achieve cost efficiency through Sanjay Ka Profit Ka Funda initiative. Horticulture Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant takes measures to safeguard the animals of IG Park. Now the news in detail. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been intensifying efforts to achieve cost efficiency through the recently launched Sanjay Ka Profit Ka Funda initiative. The unique initiative launched on 3rd August 2020 by Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, through a webinar aims at generating awareness amongst the plant collective regarding the importance of cost control at this juncture when the company is facing enormous challenges due to the impact of COVID-19. In all, 20 sessions have so far been organized covering departments. In the sessions, the cost catalyst identified by Finance Department for different departments make elaborate presentation on various aspects of the financials of the company and areas where improvements are warranted to achieve cost excellence and remain competitive. The presentation include impact on profitability due to COVID-19 strategies to achieve volume optimization, power optimization and production mix improvement in the key techno-economic parameters, expected results and potential areas of revenue generation. Apart from these, the initiative aims to help the plant become the lowest cost steel producer in SAIL. The elaborative program is being conducted under the supervision of Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM F&A, Mr. S.K. Nayak, GM F&A, Ms. Rajshri Banerjee, GM in charge HRD, Mr. B.K. Singh, GM F&A and Mr. H.N. Pati, GM HRD. Ms. Arnapurna Behra, Manager HRDC and Ms. Shushmita Kaur, Junior Manager F&A are coordinating the sessions. The Horticulture Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been taking every possible steps to safeguard the animals of Indira Gandhi Park Zoo from the COVID-19 pandemic. The department is adhering to the guidelines issued by statutory authorities of central and state government to keep the park and zoo in a healthy and hygienic state ever since it was closed down for visitors on 16th March 2020 due to the outbreak of COVID-19. As part of the disinfection drive, various intensive steps are being taken like spraying of virucidal agents, work on S within the animal enclosures, intermittently spraying of hypochlorite solution 5% in the open areas and road. All perishable feed materials like fruits, vegetables, eggs, fishes, etc. procured on daily basis are being washed thoroughly in 1% potassium permanganate solution after receiving of the materials. Milk packets are washed in potassium permanganate solution before opening. Hand wash with soap has been practiced before entering to each enclosure for daily maintenance. Maintenance of hygiene and sanitation has been given highest priority at every level. Outside vehicles are not being allowed to enter into the zoo premises except the feed carriers. Health screening of animal keepers are followed strictly on daily basis. The animals like emu, ostrich, Chausingha, Sambar, mongoose and others have shown enhanced breeding behavior. The prolonged rainy days being suitable for breeding of many life forms including plants and animals seems to suit them. And with this we come to the end of this edition of News Bulletin. Namaskar.